Looking for the best heat guns? In this video, we've picked the top heat guns for DIY projects, paint removal, crafts, and repairs. These reliable options offer great power, temperature control, and versatility for every task. Starting at number 1, SEEKONE Heat Gun. The SEEKONE Heat Gun 1800W is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a variety of home improvement, crafting, and repair tasks. Equipped with an 1800W motor, this heavy-duty heat gun delivers fast heating with an adjustable temperature range from 122 degrees Celsius to 1202 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius, allowing precise control for different applications such as shrinking PVC, stripping paint, softening adhesives, thawing pipes, and craft projects. Its variable temperature control ensures flexibility, while built-in overheat protection enhances safety and prolongs durability. The kit also includes 4 interchangeable nozzles for targeted airflow and improved performance, along with a 5.2-foot power cord for convenient maneuverability during use. Number 2, Porter Cable Heat Gun. The Porter Cable Heat Gun is a reliable and efficient corded tool designed for a variety of heating applications, including paint stripping, shrinking tubing, loosening rusted bolts, bending plastics, and other DIY or workshop tasks. Powered by a 1500-watt motor, this heat gun features dual temperature settings to provide flexibility for different materials and project needs. Its lightweight and ergonomic design offers comfortable handling during extended use, while the integrated support stand allows for hands-free operation when needed. Built for durability and consistent performance, the PC 1500 HG is a practical choice for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Number 3, Wagner Spraytech HT400 Heat Gun. The Wagner Spraytech HT400 Heat Gun is a compact and versatile hot air tool designed for light-duty DIY, crafting, and home improvement projects. Featuring dual temperature settings of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 680 degrees Fahrenheit, this heat gun provides the flexibility needed for tasks such as shrink tubing, embossing, sticker removal, loosening adhesives, and various craft applications. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Built for convenience and reliable performance, the HT400 is an excellent choice for hobbyists and homeowners looking for an efficient and easy-to-use heat gun. Number 4, ENERTWIST Heat Gun. The ENERTWIST Heat Gun is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a wide range of DIY, automotive, and repair applications. Featuring variable temperature control, this hot air tool allows precise heat adjustment for tasks such as shrink wrapping, paint removal, wiring, tubing, vinyl wrapping, crafts, electronics repair, and automotive work. Built with heating protection for enhanced safety and durability, it delivers consistent performance while preventing overheating during extended use. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the included accessories make it a practical, all-in-one solution for both hobbyists and professionals seeking efficiency and reliability. Number 5, Master Appliance EC Mini Heat Gun. The Master Appliance EC Mini Heat Gun is a compact and efficient hot air tool specially designed for crafting, DIY projects, and precision heating tasks. Ideal for shrink wrap, heat shrink tubing, wire and electrical connectors, epoxy resin work, candle making, and embossing, this mini heat gun delivers focused and consistent heat for delicate applications. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, while the included heat shrink reflector helps direct airflow for more precise and efficient performance. Compact yet reliable, the EC Mini is a convenient choice for hobbyists, crafters, and anyone needing controlled heat for small-scale projects.